The average hourly wage for a mechanic in South Florida is approximately $27.92. The hourly range for mechanics typically falls between $23.21 and $33.35. For a journeyman electrician in South Florida, the average hourly wage is about $31.53. The hourly range for journeyman electricians generally ranges from $26.48 to $37.30. A helper or apprentice in South Florida can expect an average hourly wage of around $17.9. The hourly range for helpers or apprentices is typically between $14.49 and $20.35. It's important to note that these figures represent average hourly wages and can vary significantly based on several factors. Firstly, experience plays a crucial role in determining hourly pay. More experienced mechanics and electricians naturally command higher wages due to their accumulated skills and knowledge. Secondly, certifications can also influence hourly rates. Mechanics and electricians who possess specialized certifications in specific areas, such as automotive diagnostics or electrical code compliance, may be able to negotiate higher pay rates. Thirdly, the specific location within South Florida can also impact wages. Areas with a higher cost of living or greater demand for skilled labor may offer higher hourly rates compared to less expensive or less competitive areas. Fourthly, the size and type of employer can also affect wages. Large dealerships or established electrical contractors may offer more competitive pay and benefits packages compared to smaller, independent shops. Fifthly, union membership can also influence hourly wages, with unionized mechanics and electricians often earning higher pay and benefits compared to their non-union counterparts. Sixthly, specialization within the trade can also impact earnings. Mechanics who specialize in specific types of vehicles or electrical work, such as hybrid or electric vehicles or industrial electrical systems, may be able to command higher hourly rates due to their specialized expertise. Seventhly, economic conditions can also play a role in wage determination. During periods of high economic growth, demand for skilled labor tends to increase, which can drive up wages. Conversely, during economic downturns, wages may stagnate or even decline due to reduced demand. Eighthly, the level of education and training can also impact hourly rates. Mechanics and electricians who have completed formal apprenticeship programs or hold degrees in related fields may be able to earn higher wages due to their enhanced knowledge and skills. Ninthly, the reputation and track record of the mechanic or electrician can also influence their earning potential. Those with a strong reputation for quality workmanship and customer satisfaction may be able to charge higher rates for their services. Tenthly, the ability to perform a wide range of tasks can also be beneficial in terms of earning potential. Mechanics and electricians who are proficient in multiple areas of their respective trades may be more valuable to employers and clients, and therefore able to command higher hourly rates. 11thly, the willingness to work overtime or be on call can also impact earnings. Mechanics and electricians who are willing to work flexible hours or be available for emergency repairs may be compensated with higher pay rates or bonuses. 12thly, the ability to effectively communicate with customers and explain technical issues in a clear and understandable manner can also be valuable in terms of earning potential. Mechanics and electricians who possess strong communication skills may be able to build stronger relationships with clients and generate more repeat business. 13thly, the ability to adapt to new technologies and techniques is becoming increasingly important in both the automotive and electrical industries. Mechanics and electricians who stay up to date with the latest advancements in their fields are more likely to be in demand and able to command higher wages. 14thly, the ability to work independently and efficiently is also highly valued by employers. Mechanics and electricians who are able to manage their time effectively and complete tasks with minimal supervision are more likely to be successful and well compensated. 15thly, the willingness to invest in their own tools and equipment can also be a factor in determining hourly rates. Mechanics and electricians who have their own high-quality tools are often able to work more efficiently and effectively, which can translate into higher earnings. 16thly, the ability to diagnose and troubleshoot complex problems is a critical skill for both mechanics and electricians. Those who are adept at identifying and resolving technical issues are highly sought after and can command premium wages. 17thly, the ability to adhere to safety regulations and best practices is essential in both the automotive and electrical industries. Mechanics and electricians who prioritize safety and follow proper procedures are less likely to be involved in accidents or injuries, which can save employers money and reduce liability. 18thly, the ability to work effectively as part of a team is also important. Mechanics and electricians often work in collaborative environments, and those who are able to communicate effectively and cooperate with others are more likely to be successful. 19thly, the ability to maintain a clean and organized work environment is a sign of professionalism and attention to detail. Mechanics and electricians who take pride in their work and keep their workspaces tidy are more likely to be respected by their colleagues and customers. 20thly, the ability to provide excellent customer service is crucial for building a loyal clientele. Mechanics and electricians who are friendly, helpful, and responsive to customer needs are more likely to generate repeat business and positive word-of-mouth referrals. 21stly, continuous professional development is also key. Mechanics and electricians should continually update their skills and knowledge through training courses, workshops, and industry publications to remain competitive and advance their careers. This includes keeping up with new technologies, diagnostic equipment, and industry best practices. 22ndly, strong problem-solving skills are essential. Both mechanics and electricians need to be able to diagnose and resolve technical issues efficiently and effectively. This requires a combination of technical knowledge, analytical skills, and practical experience. 23rdly, attention to detail is crucial for ensuring quality workmanship and preventing errors. Mechanics and electricians must be meticulous in their work and follow proper procedures to avoid costly mistakes or safety hazards. 24thly, physical stamina is important for both professions, as they often involve standing for long periods, lifting heavy objects, and working in awkward positions. Maintaining good physical health is essential for avoiding injuries and staying productive. 25thly, time management skills are necessary for completing tasks efficiently and meeting deadlines. Mechanics and electricians need to be able to prioritize their work, manage their time effectively, and avoid delays. 26thly, knowledge of relevant codes and regulations is essential for electricians who must comply with safety standards and building codes. Staying up to date with the latest code changes and ensuring compliance is crucial for avoiding penalties and ensuring safety. 27thly, familiarity with diagnostic tools and equipment is important for both professions. Mechanics and electricians need to be proficient in using a variety of tools and equipment to diagnose problems, perform repairs, and test systems. 28thly, understanding of electrical and mechanical systems is essential for both professions. Mechanics need to understand how engines, transmissions, and other mechanical components work, while electricians need to understand how electrical circuits, wiring, and equipment operate. 29thly, the ability to read and interpret technical diagrams and schematics is crucial for both professions. Mechanics and electricians often need to refer to diagrams and schematics to understand how systems are connected and troubleshoot problems. 30thly, excellent communication skills are essential for interacting with customers, colleagues, and supervisors. Mechanics and electricians need to be able to explain technical issues clearly and concisely, listen to customer concerns, and provide updates on the progress of repairs. 31stly, a strong work ethic and dedication to quality are important for building a successful career in either profession. Mechanics and electricians who are reliable, hardworking, and committed to providing excellent service are more likely to be successful and well compensated. Understanding electrical safety is paramount. Working with electricity can be dangerous, and electricians must be trained to identify and avoid potential hazards. This includes wearing appropriate personal protective equipment such as gloves and safety glasses, and following lockout-tagout procedures to prevent accidental energization of equipment. Also, performing electrical calculations is crucial. Electricians need to be able to perform various electrical calculations to determine the correct wire sizes, circuit breaker ratings, and other parameters. This requires a solid understanding of electrical theory and formulas. Furthermore, utilizing electrical testing equipment is a core skill. Electricians use a variety of testing equipment, such as multimeters, voltage testers, and insulation testers, to diagnose problems and verify the safety of electrical systems. Proper use of this equipment is essential for accurate troubleshooting and preventing electrical shocks. Familiarity with the National Electrical Code, or NEC, is a must. The NEC is a comprehensive set of standards for safe electrical installations. Electricians must be familiar with the NEC and ensure that all their work complies with its requirement. Note that the NEC Table 3.1015b16 and similar tables dictate allowable ampacities of conductors. Also, understanding grounding and bonding is vital. Grounding and bonding are essential for preventing electrical shocks and ensuring the safe operation of electrical equipment. Electricians must understand the principles of grounding and bonding and ensure that all systems are properly grounded and bonded. Furthermore, being able to bend and install conduit is a practical skill. Conduit is used to protect electrical wiring from damage. Electricians must be able to bend and install conduit according to NEC standards. Another skill is pulling wire. Pulling wire through conduit can be challenging, especially in long runs or tight spaces. Electricians must be able to use proper techniques and tools to pull wire safely and efficiently. Additionally, terminating wires and cables is a fundamental task. Electricians must be able to terminate wires and cables properly to ensure a secure and reliable electrical connection. This includes stripping insulation, crimping connectors, and tightening screws. Also, troubleshooting electrical problems is a critical skill. Electricians must be able to diagnose and repair electrical problems in a timely and efficient manner. This requires a combination of technical knowledge, problem-solving skills, and experience. Installing electrical fixtures and devices, such as lighting fixtures, outlets, and switches, is also a routine task. Electricians must be able to install these fixtures and devices according to NEC standards and ensure that they are properly wired and grounded. Understanding motor controls is valuable, too. Electricians who work in industrial settings often need to understand motor controls. This includes knowing how to wire and troubleshoot motor starters, variable frequency drives, and other motor control equipment. Also, being skilled with programmable logic controllers, or PLCs, is becoming more important. PLCs are used to control automated systems in industrial facilities. Electricians who are familiar with PLC are in high demand. Furthermore, knowing about renewable energy systems is advantageous. With the increasing focus on renewable energy, electricians who have experience installing and maintaining solar panels, wind turbines, and other renewable energy systems are becoming more valuable. Lastly, being familiar with building automation systems is a plus. Building automation systems are used to control lighting, HVAC, and other building systems. Electricians who are familiar with these systems are able to work on high-end installations.